Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Ni komi umutinyi no kabiri umwaka no gwechirwe 2025 nomo mwancho mo ligerinde no kwigena mbiyole andonsia sole na gokwanire nawego gokwarigane kanyora mangana maye kionga chinsebere chiabo butiko literia Cyrus Nyakundi asense meliyo bimanyiriro nere Wilson Makori na gusabire tuskale. Chaka ikiunga nigamayanda habwa tainse hasomo yakabwa matanga uyorengo koko mwenia homoroki wa weskuru ya secondary ya baisike ya magina uyo sirete bugema bwaye magigayo murero gusamba na gusire nibo henyinge ase nyumba yo buraro ase skuru yo muyogo yo hokorekana sense mu ya gesonso hime ya bonchari account ya Kisii abangeni go bakikeriga korekyo na kubolia bobisa babanyanyimbo kwangoi obotuki Morikito Daniel Ntiri arobotirwa sinchira yobwikirano.
Kero yomo nyorali baga ligukwanira umuganda nigahorokia amaligae kubotekana no gukwa kwa Laura Kimunto Nyegoti umunyaruka w'imyaka meke wigo omorokiwa urigo chibikaransa asa matemwa yekirese gikomena kabere umwaka oyo uyokwete ugukukororo kubotekana no gwateka kumuriro ase nyumba y'uburaro ase skuru yiga yabaiseke ya magena. Asibiriro ebyaragwa naborokiwa bekerasi kyaye naborokia nigo bamoteba ko bomorokiwa urenge bomokia no urenge gati yabalia barenge okole buya no nyina samasomo.
To the family, we extend our deepest and the most sincere condolences. We stand with you in this painful moment and share your grief. We feel your pain and our hearts ache with yours. Laura was one in a million, very special and unique in her own way, beautiful way. She was a way of making everything and everyone around her feel special. It is a passage from this life into eternal rest. Our loved one, life mattered. The love shared, the kindness shown, and the memories we hold remain with us. As we mourn, let us also thank God for the gift of their life and find comfort in knowing that God is close to the broken-hearted.
Asense mwende omworokia munene we skuru yabo nigo asa mariga manene akwanire iguru buna amwasemeretie kumwa grade kia omwaka uyo barera na kuboria serikali kubeke miroberio emekereno yogokeania na gusire bikore bingabu nebiga asa matukare bosio wetera asa kubwaterana na bobwatani ao.
Laura was known to everybody, including the newcomers who are grade 10s. But we have no words to express our staff and the students of Magina Girls, and want to tell everybody that is involved, friends, neighbors, and everybody, we are indeed saddened.
I was among the first people to be at the ground. I never knew there could be such a fatality. So, we mourn with the family. We were here. Want to appreciate that you understood us.
But on a Sunday, my daughter told me what I will never forget. You know, she asked me, Mom, why should we have a small car here? Then I want to pass. This your son who are driving. I'll buy you a better car. I'll build you a nice home. And then I changed you from Kisii to Nairobi. That's what Laura told me when she was going. So I have nothing to say. I'm only appreciating all of you, my brothers. They're wonderful people.
Nkuruba terega taseni kia gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letera nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Bemuno humurikito Daniel Untiri hasorobotirwo. Nemetenyi hetato yalire kurugusira ku musubati Felista Kaunda kurwase kenyoro kyaboge kabo mariba himeye bunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii. Nigia mate ya yeso kire na kubuli bakonye libanyoro mubero yo kurwa sense ya Irake. Nigo yababeire getiro kubwatikana no konyora kwa mate yo korogo kemono asobono. Wabolire kokonywa libanyale bakomwenia huneke mira kyomugusikire. Olikito diboni asanya oroboturwa senchira yo boikirano.
Na wale ntokorera ngakimbali gotobwatisi imbachi bosamba omwana ito agosamba buno musariti
bororo mbwa munyene ehamate echana busaigo nebirero bitali nekerengo korwa asekenyoro kyabuge kamariba ebunge ya kitutu cha South ase amate yo mugaka Kaunda erigetyo bokonyi asoko mwenia omwanobo asireta Felistas Kaunda uyobete kagusirira asense ya Iraq kurinde omubiroye nigo kwamire asogotaika elyo banyare komwenia
samarieta ngoro kurecho keneti kuruga abuge kamariba gaki omwana oyo ne Felista kemunto Kaunda gaki asirete omenyiro mutinyo no yo gatatu wansire gakamoranje eserekali yane narerira asemore twaganyoire
twarerire paka none ebintu byonsi byabangi cyamese twale kobera cyarusi wetwebire kero none amweri kagocha gutumiro bora matanga yaga erete kare usini miro binegendrede
busangane amate yeiga omusubati yeiga niga chieta senseyo eligo korobosomba bunenchira ya moyo kurigeria amate yaye asebagotebanga niga beire obotamiro anene asoko bogosemeria chingaki goikabono konyabekire mirobelio nonyene yo kwagachira bibuli baye nyumba
Kennedy Kaunda nkoroko omwana Felista nero omwana no manene lakini okule omwana oyo nero oli support no nyambono wimana atikomero orobokon na ndo omwana antiere ngocha kolenda bono igare arwali turweru wenkoro
Felista nchengo ngonya alenge bono gali asakwirira bana baminto tingonyara goikororo nyale kumui gakimwalenge kwanja omwana oyo nalega iguru ali tenera achite koligeri orwale tengoro ne familia yaye nero lenge gotema konyorole tire kogotono mu changa na matoboli achake kwagachira ngina age abana baminto mukonye nonye ne shiringiro nye ni 10 aba omwana oli oyo orwale tegaki anyale kokonyeka nonye ne skuru gaki asombe akibutaka nubu babana bamintu bali balegali bali baendete kuchandika team strong aba balenchira gocha gaki bakudemonstrate abana baitu bakuchandika ngumbugali ekaro mukungu bakuchandika ngo igubobe gaki bakuchandika singenjo y'abana
Asegeka kiemetienyi gwetania ebere ningobone amate iga yabeire getigareta somosunto monene nonye nugo tantana gwekobanga emirobirio yokoeni wakwaye
ese twachangite ntwairete tokarwe cyase Iraq batoretera omwana bono ntugaiga totigarete bosagaki tugosaba tubwatesi
abantu baberire gaige metienye ebere more than 2 months twarageire abantu barosire gocagaiga bakacia machiabege tugaiga echianore tuyani bone
ebire biga nigo bano baruro kuboria gucha sabarai nabo igo bari no moyo bugwancha oika amate yue ange eri barorenga banyoriro mubere bumwana bo na komoenia nari baranyale komenya no murembe
akina mabera manena so muchyoyo gotogo saba mabera gocha asemore munyale gotokonya mtuna bakenya tole tuensi bono gakirende mwale gotororera mabera mubero uyo nyale goikaga iga
kali yetu mutagwanja mondetero umwana nari muranyora abandi na barabura nyore bagaitire bagatinde kamuranje sa
agitware gosaba ngwari gotugwate cia sobo amo omwana uyu tutare gocha tumutindike muneke mira getu kya mugusikere erinde twebe
Kuroiga ase kenyero kia Bogeka Mariba ewodi ya Bogeka ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South imeje kaunti ya Kisii Eliana Inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Bemono muri kito Diboni Asanya hasoro gotirwo litiko lya kabere hasa bajumbe be kaunti ya Nyamira wakora wano mujumbe we kaunti yo Muske Cherusha Mumanye mujumbe ho West Mugirango wa Steve Mugaka mujumbe ho North Mugirango ho Muske Chwashinyamoko mujumbe ho Kitutu Masaba ho Muske Kribu Gisairo na Boigo Patrick Osero Bravo bagandera gutarira hamagacha akugweti ase kaunti ya Nyamira magacha yo nigagendete ase kisukuru agati yabo Eliage Secondary rijabe kiabira na ekyoburuso ekyochire Kenani Aboigo Nyantaro ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nakuru ase bunge ya Burabu nigo batarira heskuru yoburuso ya Gisipe mecheo kawa na Boigo Menyenya
Rero ne gakia kabere gosiri tukulia kabere twansi yesterday tugakora ko North Mugirango West Mugirango rero tolevo Kitutu Masaba Muske Clive Gisairo enere skuru entangani twansire ko Bugeka Secondary School ndo ne korolekane contractor ya bege twane contractor wa the chinguru korolekane manyetinke wende okora and we are so happy especially because of the solid building eliyo Moscow ya agachire daiga so egange nene go solution ni kapsa no go check each consultants chiri go supervise because na bale project managers amuna abantu ku ministry batmetu no mo PS na boigo no mo waziri elinde tumanye kere project ya irirenga kintambe sana ukora koera so to gukora rero ko twakole kurubora buntu ikaranse elinde to digereli na problem kichiabero problems ki babere bawo experience then after that to map the way forward
these projects because we know we have schools where our children are congested and right now we have received equipments which also need space where they can be stored so we want to ask wale ambao wamepewa hiyo kazi watie bidii na hii kazi iishe vizuri.
Kusema kwamba jana there was a miscommunication kutoka kwa Fourth Estate kwamba we had stormed to the county commissioner's office demanding an explanation for the loss of 2.7 billion. There was nothing like that and I would like that to be corrected and the message out there to be clear. We came here as members of parliament from Nyamira just to play our role of oversight. There is no money that has been lost, not a shilling. Ni ile kwamba contractors wengine hawajaweka bidii vile inafaa katika zile contract ambazo walipata.
Elinde toete korore mirimo ya ino munegenderete asitoko nyorere buya twapongeza nde twabataiba koromuki ase batarachaka turike report elinde bali batatageti ko chaka miremeye twa guchi contractor chire serious muno yogekega baisa ko retender some parts twaje tokanyore bintu bikorira bitali bironge it will do as good but buya batwanyore to bakore bintu batatebeti kubakore bagakanigwa bagatama kure site lakini besa chia serikali kanyora mbara.
Kuna mahali tutaenda unapata contractor ni mzembe vile tulitembea na nyinyi jana mliona. Kwa hivyo tunataka kujua ni contractor gani anafanya kazi, ndio wakati ministry inafanya report yao wanaweza ona kwamba huyu contractor hataweza kumaliza hii kazi, watumie their systems and their legal procedures kuona kwamba contractors who can finish this project can be awarded or can be retendered, those sites can be retendered to have mwananchi get benefit for their money.
Kuna henjere ya moyo gosira chiseme himeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba ni gomo jumbe bunge yo homoski krifu kisairo ara omoyaga woko igore birasi bere hase skuru yo brosu yageke yego toka se wadi ya magombo habu igo irachinga ke chuko kwanira hegati ya magendro hayekiranire hase wadi yo anene chiskuru ukwanekero kyomoyago yo nigabarai hawekirana abo gati abo mujumbe onothi mugirango homoski chwashinyamoko Aboigo homo wakirishi wa bangina himeye kaunti Nyamira homo ngina cherusha mamanye niko baira chinga kicho gukwanira higoro yobora yobuya muri kitofadi gadi kisemba na roboti rwa senchira yobwikirano
nase umuyiga bwo igora ebirasi bibere ase skuru yoboroso yageke umuyiga uragwa n'umubunke Kitutu Masaba umuske Clive Kisairo
tobate abanko barosetore birasi bibere complete moroje birasi biri byabire ebirasi biko abana baitesiko ebirasi bigwate chiloka ebirogo whiteboard the ceiling ekerasi ekia ebiroro burabogo so nali abana baito banyora sagi abago so nyambari ageke Nyamwanga primary yamachana mpaka Nyamwanga kere school ya nyori birasi bibere bunebi bigweka ine photocopy yamachana ebirasi bitatu Nyaguku secondary liko robandra alenga ali akwamete mwali baita na alikolete ikarabase
aiga abayibori imbasabwa hoika abana babange aso kurigereria mpuna amasomo abo agenderete naboigo abayibori abaiga nigo basabirwe bakwanire abana babo igoro yo kubirenda byonsi ebiga bakorairwe
abayibori tebe abana baito bintu birito abekirani babirende umwana gakubuna eloka principal tafadhali umuyibori akoletere lokende naliye konyo umwana ulio ndomo ko uri maiga yae
ni numoko lenda abantu ababo chikorosia community yaito a future yaito oika era sama bokaino so you must take care of these children abana ko bachire school umwana gagocha marogoba nonye tumaetigo soma aya motabi ntango ndararore kigwakora
ukwanira igoro yobora yobuya nigo umubunge bwebunge ya North Mugirango muskecho ashinyamoko akwanira igoro yobuya bwogochora umurai asentunda ya kabere anene asoria okorekana gokora amagenderero
lisito North Mugirango bange tentunda ya kabere bone ko baraisi karukubwatia amagenderero emipange lyons kwa vekira senjo korera abantu baitu namaskania manene ekera abantu abange bakuvuga kuruchi nyomba cyabo lituko riri wagachikura batayigotebererigwa kwanyora bachire bagochorire
ekiagera ese myaka 5 mokorre binakunirega eyende mwangete in advance inde 2027 baka 2032 moko nyanandi na iranira
chingaki echecho nigo siasa che county ya Nyamira naboigo ogosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i yaira ribagariaye
momanyeti nje mama county cherusha momanyi ochikoryo bugabana kwa Nyamira 2027 mara tayari tulio bugabana no ntegisairo nonye tole nera nale nsemo ya yale ese siasa kilo muntu nara sale yako sikwa osabano igo asende nonde na kisaira sare noale twezi abana inchi tokorere gasi mutu asiwadanganye mwatoli ntwanja ini oseto korana na twaminyokani moroje nyandi twakuminyokani anganacha
yangeye igego tebange ngoko igere se chubiri na kimoro chengoko esungukire ne irangie mbaliri alafu neliru Mario Molembe matia ebintu ebingo binyoro sitore ngora ino monyabuko tunaelewana njitinko baira enchera mugo chosira
Inko reporter Getembe koroiga se skuru yo boroso ya geke iyegutuka imenye wodi ya Magombo ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira Jeffat Gad Gisemba
Bemuno homo likito Fadigad Gisemba hasa robotiro Maseneta wi county ya Nyamira homo siko Kongo mugeni Igemambia lero haikirana se bunge ye county yo hasaliganibwa no speaker wi county yo Thaddeus Nyabaro asegi karekyo ni gasabira abamusiye wikirana imirimo yabo anena mono asokwene kibese chi county ya Nyamira ngo tumekakire asenkererengiya wikira boniga nige county ya Nyamira yanyorira shiringi jibironi 58 asatebire amagendera akolirwe taraisana.
Members, also take this opportunity to welcome the visiting dignitary, that's our senator, one and only Honorable Eric Okongo Mugeni. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Thank you for finding time to address the Nyamira County Assembly and to visit the Nyamira County Assembly. This is where you belong and this is home. Welcome and feel at home.
To highlight some of the critical issues that come before the attention of Senate, that the members of County Assembly of Nyamira and the senators should work closely in oversight. Mr. Speaker, sir, if you look at Nyamira's budgetary allocation for the year 2024-2025, Nyamira Water Resources Authority in the budget was allocated 32 million shillings, which I presume, because we are the honorable members of the Assembly who passed the budget, which I presume was specifically for water connectivity to help our thirsty residents. But instead, Mr. Speaker, of pipes, pumping water to our homes, or putting water kiosks, this water was swallowed by training seminars and feasibility study. What a tragedy. This information, Mr. Speaker, came to my attention when I attended a committee of CIPIC. If you permit me, Mr. Speaker, I'll read the brief to the chairman of CIPIC from the auditors, just to show some of the issues they highlighted. Out of the 32 million shillings that this Honorable Assembly appropriated to the Nyamira Water and Sanitation Company, 244,000 was withdrawn for facilitation of feasibility study. Another 279 on different dates to facilitate training on hygiene. Another 272 million to facilitate feasibility study. I'm calling upon the honorable members not to relent on their oversight, Mr. Speaker. I implore you to hold those responsible for these suspensions until the donor funds return to Nyamira. Nobody, Mr. Speaker, and I repeat, nobody should be allowed to soil the good name of Nyamira. We need the service, Mr. Speaker, and we need donor support.
MCA wigwadi yawino homoske Steve Arika nigakwanire mirovelio ya gukoro muchando bwa mache asenseme yo gwetera sokwene kibuna chi project chonsi cha mache cha chagetigwe nkwera chire ukwane marako bayalero chinga kicho kurata chi project cha kabusi irungu harika ni government abuna no chikwene ki committee boigo chabekirwe haso kwene kya macha yo harendurwe hegetambokero boigo kyagwekerwa nabamenye bechinsemecho
Litukulera no gutara chi project cha mache buna mache alerwete kabosi paka nyantrogo na bakabosi gora tochakoranga na kina baroba konyora amache kurwa ase gesima gaiga ande torra machande nare kururia misiori araba gocha sikabosi era bantu baito banyora mache gubwaterana nainche no mugabo no ito separate koranga kero mochi onyorira mache gosekere kenyoro amache aikire igo no twari gotara na machande nararia kirera nora kogenda bakagesere igoro na machande gwetero mushimi wa Said Janda nkurware Kyombu aiche gocha nyebsaba cyo nyantro banda ndebuchi nyamagwa
twabere no mwako munene gekogera buno mushimi gwa chireiga oichire na bali ba usikaine aba engineer koranga amachaya buna begetu mbarororo bataranyora bono tweta lia misiocha ase water tangier na ande tuandalia nyabira se water tangier lia nyabira amacha bere connected baka nyantro abantu ngonyora bara amache na nkunyubale tunashukuru kwa hayo
kwakira mugambi to Steve arika ngambu ya mono asogo tunyora na intu asa amacha yaiga ogenda totobekera ando gosaba goito na watebire amacha aya aika se chipara chitundubali chikanisa enda abantu baito banyore oboere bwa amache bole ange na mona bangina na basubati baito ebakonya komanyakani gochiroche ebisunte kero kende kero barule chiro baireirwe banyora amacha asale ange bakobujera nande ngosaba abantu be community yiga akia so wanje koino moba batoereru mugambi ito nagendete gotokorera emirimo emiya tomosire nera toletera oburabu ase community yakabo
MCA wewode ya bomba baborabo homoske Beatrice Makwae nigenekirie hegati ya magendro haye haikiranire hase wodi yo kaukwana haso musangerekano yomo himeye wodi yo hoyorengete gosira baboraka Makwae nigate buna na bigetumukia bo kolera abananchi amagendro
ekero nari go campaign chikura egari yani egasarikiraga igase kogoto abangwana barengo bari wake kogoto bakanyerenda ngakoro mukutano bakandinie pigipigi ngagenda bagantebe inkonga bale chikura ekababa gosenja babo iga fada noe kogoto ase wodi engima noe kogote kurwa ekwagacha abangina nabagaka eba wake kogoto tigangondora abangina bali ba wake kogoto ga no mole baka nabagaka mugante binga tota togotonyara togoto afis togotogorera mafutanyeni toroserie para elinde ekogoto yaitu eruma buya ngakora bagose nakora bo fata naende ase wodi engima igom balance ti amagendero koru chachi mugonga kiango mpaka randan lakini lero keronda igongo kwa na magenderanka epare yenkarosie gatiari njatware moram uchigosia njatware maram bono bunangu wasakarosie chipara to wasakarosie chumu akoyo epare ye nkore agabit kali gataerate na kuchigosia ntabokie onya mamba godon epare eri na roseti ne chibasi chumu ko mwari mugetosire tari inye grade bono buya nyebeke maram eimoke iguru epare kogenda gochia onya taya gochimoinu na chitega ali tukogete ngona wetana enyene parera kanyara ne para ngoro sinde pareria echiete gochiboji konyara sinde kwabekera abantu bago chimoinalia kango chingo ngakie chibwake ro mugaba na Paul Simbarati abachetega iga agatene na bori buno musacha agateba ngochiale konge nomination nangete gosetangete nakimoko matebia Simbarati tutam by force by fire mwanje mogoraki imeta bangina ba minto mogo disappoint mogo ntiga usikonga morama goro ntwa seta yego to televi no to koroli gochi yego to televi right no to gochi yego to televi left no to kogenda atupanduki tuko nyuma yake sisi ni jeshi wa Governor Paul Simbarati
na sorobotero mancho morigerania tanyaro mutimo komoketo koirana tugende ne kyonga sinchira yoboikira
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746 211 764 au 0727 433 205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Discover the new Venus Advanced Care Body Lotion, a revolutionary blend of serums and natural ingredients designed to transform your skin into a masterpiece of firmness, radiance, and youthfulness. Infused with hyaluronic acid serum, nature's ultimate moisturizer, Venus unveils confidence that captivates with 5 times more hydration. Venus, inspired by nature, perfected by science.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tugukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Karibu na inde omwancho murigiria. Mokonyi omonene w'ikiama gia Jubilee omuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigararirie hegati ya monjereria agochigwikirani chingeki hara chigoswa asuburai bense. Omuske Matiang'i nigakwanira nene omurobirio Olinda Mama oyurengete gokonya basubati begwatiraneti chingaki bakogonkia.
Sisi tuko tayari kufanya hii kazi kwa sababu tunajua kuifanya. Waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukisafisha sekta ya elimu, waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukisimamia usalama, waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukileta Linda Mama. Sasa sisi tunataka kuendelea kufanya hiyo kazi. Ama namna gani? Hayo ndiyo mambo tunahubiri tukienda mbele, ili watu wetu wapate nafasi ya kuboresha uchumi wetu na kuendesha nchi yetu kwenda mbele. Hatuna shida na mtu yeyote. Hata tukiwa kwa upinzani, wale wenzetu wengine katika upinzani tuko nao, kama wale ambao pia wanataka urais, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mama Martha Karua, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa, Mheshimiwa Natembeya, na wale wote ni ndugu na dada zangu. Tunaongea polepole, nyinyi wananchi mtatuamulisha vile mtajua, lakini mnaelewa mambo ya kama ni kazi mnataka ifanywe, mnajua ni kitu gani mtafanya. Wengine wananifuata kwa kanda, wananiambia wewe Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, sisi tunataka kuingia Jubilee. Wajana na hii tunaongea hapa, sisi tunataka kwenda Jubilee. Na mimi nawaambia hivi, mshirikiane na sisi viongozi, fungueni mikono yetu. Na wale ambao wamekuwa wakirandaranda hapa zingine wakisema Jubilee labda imelala, imepotea, leo nataka wajue hivi, na nataka kuambia hivi, we are very serious people. They will feel us, they will see us, and finally tutakuwa nao pamoja as very serious people.
Omo seneta we county ya Kisii omuske Richard Momaima Onyonka nigo haorokire kirenga kia kiogo chia kung'anya kurwasi kiama kia ODM na goswa ikiama gia Jubilee asa matukari mustwe nonya nabo nigo muske Onyonka hainekiribuna na chikogendera kurwanirire kiama kia ODM asebono. Onyonka nigarenge koja kwana ya se county ya Nakuru asomoroberio bokwigora ya bisi kiama gia Jubilee.
Mimi nimekuja hapa kama yule anakuja kushuhudia chama cha Jubilee mnafanya nini, kwa sababu mimi niko opposition na nyinyi mko opposition. Kwa wale ambao hamnijui, mimi ni senator wa Kisii ambaye alichaguliwa na ODM, lakini hivi karibuni mimi naingia Jubilee na tumesema hawatauza chama ya Paba. So hiyo wachia sisi tutamanage. Honorable Kionia, I want you to listen to me. When you started the Jubilee story, I did not take you seriously. But you had a vision and you had a dream with this party. I want to thank you. Because if you were not there, this party would not have been anything. Your Excellency Fred Matiang'i, as you know, you are my friend and my brother. I want to say one thing about hakuna mtu ambaye utafanya rais wa nchi ya Kenya ambaye atafanya kazi ya kufurahisha kama huyu jamaa yuko hapa. Tumeelewana? The reason why I looked and considered that Fred Matiang'i is a good presidential candidate is because of his record. Number two, Fred Matiang'i will disagree with you, but you don't become enemies. Kama mjui, mimi wakati nilikuwa mbunge na yeye akiwa waziri wa Uhuru, tulikuwa na korofishana kila mwezi. Lakini ananipigia anasema, bro, I know we disagreed. Ebu come, I hear what you're saying. So Your Excellency, keep up the good spirit. Listen to everybody. These people are going, some will be fighting for you, some will be fighting over you, some will be fighting against you, but keep your eye on the ball. Wale mnaosimama kura MCA, msisahau people with disability. Msisahau kina mama. You know the men, when we are in office, we keep on selecting ourselves. And finally, I want to say, mimi kazi yangu nitafanya na nyinyi wakati tumeanza campaign proper. Nitakuja niwaambie here, you are not going to become a member of parliament, an MCA, or even indeed our presidential candidate because he wants to go and steal more land, he steals more money, he eats money from SHA, he takes over everything, he flies in helicopters. Honorable Fred, keep on using your small cars around here. Wachana na mambo ya ndege. Jubilee!
Serikali nigo yabaturire abakenya 25 habukonye bakometa sensi ya Russia na kubikwirombe y'abanacheshi bense yo omunene w'abawaziri nabo mu waziri wa mungana y'ekinse cy'isiko Musalia Mudavadi nigatera ubune serikali nigo yaikiraniria yo kubwatikana no kubwatirana ne serikali yense yo ketambukire kyo nigo yachire magega y'ebikoro by'abakenya kugendera gusira magima abo kubwatikana n'ekisegi cy'ense ya Ukraine amona Russia. Mudavadi nigene kiribune serikali wetira se wizare ya mangana y'ekinse cy'isiko nechikwene kibuna abakenya bonsi bale kinse cy'isiko bakikonyora uburendi bw'isaine.
Kwanza balozi wetu kule Urusi Bwana Mathuki amekuwa akihusika sana, amekuwa na mikutano na mawasiliano na zile idara ambazo zinahusika kule Urusi, na hivi karibuni pia nataka nimepanga niwe na ziara ya kwenda Urusi ili tuzungumze jambo hili miongoni mwa mambo mengine, na lengo letu kwa mfano ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunaanza utaratibu wa kuweka proper bilateral labor agreement vile tumeweka na Ujerumani na Austria na mataifa mengine. Ni vizuri pia tuangalie tuweke na Urusi ili wale ambao wanaenda tunajua utaratibu ambao unatumika, na haya yote yatatendeka tu ikiwa tutawasiliana na tushirikiane na serikali ya Urusi. Na ndio kwa sababu naenda kule ili tukomeshe huu mtindo wa Kenya kuingia kwa mtego wa kwenda kwa vita.
Muhora Ibenso Muske William Ruto nigene kiribone serikali nechikobeke mirobeli yokoro byechiro yokugura chishese gucha sabananchi gwetera hase chisimi bunenchereye mo yogokino mubaro bw'abananchi abukonye bayibirwe bunenchereye mo yogwikirania murobeli bottom up ukwana chinga kicho gosolio murobeli wi company yobarirwa mangana ya Safaricom Seed Muraibense nigatera bune serikali nechikubwatirana nebyombe binde bunenchereye mo yogokire chiro eyo yokorwa libaga gocha abananchi gukinia uchumi yense.
I have insisted that we must hold leaders to their track record. And a track record speaks for itself. The track record of this Nairobi Stock Exchange is clear. We remain committed to working with all stakeholders to build markets that are deep, that are efficient and accessible, markets capable of financing innovation, empowering enterprise, and advancing national priorities. And in this space, we will shortly be looking at what other incentives can we put in place for private companies to also list in the exchange 10%, 20%, 30%, so that we can democratize wealth in the country, and we can also reduce burdens of borrowing. Private sector companies instead going to borrow from banks because they have sufficient infrastructure and they can measure up to all the requirements of the exchange, should be able to come to the exchange to get capital for expansion, for whatever interventions they need, so that we can allow debt to go to more deserving cases. 3 years ago, market capitalization here was 1.2 trillion. Today, it is beyond 3 trillion. This exchange was rated the best in Africa in 2024 and the second best in 2025. This exchange had 75%, sometimes 80% foreign investors. Today, it is almost 50-50. Meaning, not just foreign investors have confidence in our stock exchange, even local investors, they now believe that the reforms that we have undertaken, the status of the economy, when we say that inflation has come down from 9.6 to 4.7 and 4.5 and 4.4, it is reflected in the capital markets. The stability of the economy, the stability of our foreign exchange is reflected in the stock exchange.
Na gwikiraga bwo mwancho murigereria no gwikira umwerio wa mangana maya yekionga chinsebere chia bono butiko kurende chikoraga chinsenye ningere ningumanya senchera yo gwikirano literane sera sinyakonde asense meli bumenyerurio nigarenge Wilson Makori na gusabire twaruburigereri borobuya.
Wekatokwa nayo twarorire che mambo agiatanga ya buyama digongo tinyubukira amangana beya mayana rongo ganinatera yalinda bantu bamanye amangana mayango yoretire ene babantu bande bariko ganitwakwana omondaga korama ya naendo kumimwa tingelinze ebuna bono simbara chumogaba no itero temie korwasa eto bisia chene chama gano temie ebuna bono chibara cheito omogaba no itoni gagasaine mosomi abana chisukuru omogaba na narwe paseri anyagetari temie era mariogo tarikolema Panyagetario mentire, sabes ya beyerengia. Emwamanya komora maya, omogaba no gasa ine mere moya. Aye baba. Ingoyo korutomo gambia magena. Ogaba na simbere negasiare. Palimo korutomo gambia magena. Ogaba na simbere negasiare. Siasa tera ikatigeriogi. Ogaba na simbere negasiare. Seguimos Guatemala, Chile. Ogaba na simbere negasiare. Calicorara no ares Haiti. Ogaba na simbere negasiare. Chira diete na chiago y kerania.